The government's decision to reduce the general consumption tax, GCT, on electricity will bring short-term relief for Jamaicans struggling with high living costs. It means lower bills for households and businesses, and prepaid customers are also set to benefit from cost improvements next year. However, there are significant concerns about the long-term impact of this move. Economists describe GCT on electricity as a perfect tax because it is fair, unavoidable, and easy to collect. Wealthier individuals who consume more electricity pay more, and the tax generates consistent revenue for the government. Cutting it could reduce funds needed for essential services like education, healthcare, and infrastructure. Additionally, this move could discourage the transition to renewable energy, particularly solar power. Currently, high electricity bills motivate households and businesses to adopt solar energy, which reduces costs and dependence on fossil fuels. Cheaper electricity may slow this transition, undermining Jamaica's energy sustainability goals and environmental commitments. While the tax cut offers immediate financial relief, it does not address the root causes of high electricity costs, such as production inefficiencies and pricing structures. Without broader reforms, this measure risks being a temporary solution that creates new challenges in the future. Balancing affordability, government revenue, and renewable energy adoption is crucial for Jamaica's long-term economic and environmental health.